Yo, what's up guys? Anthony here. I'm with Graham, and today we're doing a little, I don't know what you would call this, but just a little game we invented. So basically what it is we have 18 scrambled cubes here. He picks out a cube for me to solve, and then I pick out a cube for him to solve. And we don't get to see the cubes we pick, and we are just racing each other. So basically it's like getting out of our comfort zone. Cool, so we're gonna start this right now. All right, you start, and then I'll pick a cube. I'm not looking. Alright, is it covered?
Yeah.
I'm trying to make it hard for you. Oh shit, I dropped my bag. Okay. Go. Of course you gave me this cube.
There you go. Oh, this is a nice friend.
I see your strategy. Alright, hold up. Yeah, you can go.
I just really didn't want to get that cube.
Turd. This is the worst cube, juice. The color scheme is just not there. $17.97. Alright, so write down those times so you can remember.
Yeah, I got a 13. Alright, do I pick first or you?
I'll pick first this time.
Alright,
yeah.
Last time. Yeah.
Okay. Cover my eyes.
Where's the back? Oh, there it is. Let's see.
Alright. Are you ready?
Ready.
Go.
Okay.
I think this is my out long.
Luckily, the scramble's not terrible.
I got 16 too. You beat me.
You first?
Yeah. Oh, you go now.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Go. This is the Gans.
Yep.
Oh man, it's loose.
Yeah, thing's kind of gnarly.
Oh man, this thing's bad.
Oh, +2, damn. That's a +2, right?
Yeah, gotta count that. Alright, 1915 for me. That cube is just...
It's pretty uncontrollable.
It's very uncontrollable.
It's like really crazy corner cutting. Like so effortless, but like it's too fast.
Alright, my turn. Alright, your turn.
Okay. I'm ready.
Alright. Is this the air?
Yeah.
Oh man, this cube is uncontrollable for me.
That was a pretty bad cross, right?
It's terrible.
71.
God, you're kicking my butt, man. You're really hitting me with the strategy here. I need to be better.
You? Yeah, okay. Let's see.
He gave me the Owl GT. I was looking for that cube and I was like, I think he gave me it. This thing's heavy, man.
Oh,
God, man.
1032.
You got 10. Oh no, I'm not liking this cube at all.
That was like super easy F2 pairs. And it was color control.
1811.
That's like one of my fastest color control songs. I'm telling you.
I'm gonna ask him.
I'm gonna tell on you, dude.
Dick.
Alright, you're good.
I'm gonna tattle.
I'm gonna ask.
Fuck, I
It
wanna
said
give you-
puzzle, it
It's
doesn't
got a
count.
good cross.
God, be generous. I'm not even looking at colors. I'm just trying to pick a cube.
Okay.
You're like going out of your way to make it hard. It's good strategy, I guess.
I'm ready.
Ready. Thunderclap.
Oh, this is my GTS. Oh no, it's your GTS.
Yeah.
I'm doing so much better than I did with the comp times.
1578.
Yeah.
Alright, your turn.
Oh, if I'm Graham, I have 24 Cliff Bars in my pantry.
My mom gave me that. Hey,
Yeah,
okay,
well.
That's good. You're good.
Okay. Right.
Alright, I'm ready.
Gans.
Is this my one?
Yeah.
Shit. Shit.
Oh no. Oh! I would have gotten like 11-second solve. I totally choked.
Oh my god, I hate that one.
That's why I gave it to you. Yes! But I had choked.
I was like lubing the crap out of this, so it's like covered in lube.
Good. Alright, my turn. I don't even know which ones these are.
I think my Yushin's still in there somewhere. Probably like my Yushin and one of my Thunderclaps.
Okay. I'm ready.
Don't want to give you any of your cubes. Hey, we already used the Yushin. When was that? Oh, you did my Yushin. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. This is you, Joe?
Yeah. Oh, this is my Yushin. Yushin's really good. I always underestimate.
17. I like that cube. Man. Alright, the
first
final
or you?
two. You're first.
Okay. Oh no. Way long got a chipped sticker.
It's either the owl long or the way long.
Well, yeah, I can just give you your outlong so I can get my main.
Yeah, at this point it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Oh, I forgot to reset the timer. What do we do about that?
I'll just let you solve it again.
You want to scramble it?
Yeah.
Whoopsie.
Graham messed up.
You could
bummed
DNF
me.
me if you're mean.
I could, but I'm not.
Alright.
Terrible, man. DNF.
I'm counting 19. That's gonna kill me.
So type that in, I guess. Okay, I don't know how we're gonna average these out, but
Well, just look at this.
do we look at the mean?
That's all of them. 14.68.
17.55. So,
Or we could look at the average, which is 15.30 for me.
I don't see how you did that. How did you do that, dude?
We're closer.
1762.
I'm not really sure.
Oh, alright, well. Thank you for watching this video, guys. It was definitely interesting for us, and I still suck. Need to practice. Yeah. 9 cubes solved. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.